Delicious homemade Cajun shrimp rice, perfect for Iftar and Ramadan. Affordable recipe for beginners. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. With Ramadan just around the corner, we're excited to share a special recipe that's perfect for Iftar, homemade Cajun shrimp rice. It's not only delicious but also affordable and beginner-friendly. Let's dive right into the ingredients and preparation methods. For our homemade Cajun shrimp rice, you'll need the following ingredients. Don't worry, they're all easy to find and won't break the bank. 1. 2 cups of long-grain white rice. 2. 1 pound of shrimp, peeled and deveined. 3. 1 bell pepper, diced, any color of your choice. 4. 1 onion, finely chopped. 5. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 6. 1 can of diced tomatoes, 14 ounces. 7. 2 cups of chicken broth. 8. 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, adjust according to your spice preference. 9. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 10. Salt and black pepper to taste. 11. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. 12. Chopped fresh parsley for garnish. Preparation. Now, let's get into the step-by-step preparation of our homemade Cajun shrimp rice. 1. Rinse and soak the rice. Start by rinsing the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Then, soak the rice in water for about 15 to 20 minutes. This helps to achieve perfectly fluffy rice. 2. Sauté the aromatics. In a large pan over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Sauté the finely chopped onion, diced bell pepper, and minced garlic until they become fragrant and the onion is translucent. 3. Add Cajun flavors. Now, let's add the star of the show, Cajun seasoning. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning and 1 teaspoon of paprika into the pan. Stir well to coat the vegetables with those flavorful spices. 4. Cook the shrimp. Time to introduce our main protein, the shrimp. Add the peeled and deveined shrimp to the pan. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until they turn pink and opaque. 5. Incorporate tomatoes and rice. Next, add a can of diced tomatoes, 14 ounces, to the pan. Now, drain the soaked rice and add it to the pan. Stir until the rice is well coated with the flavorful mixture. 6. Pour in chicken broth. To enhance the richness of our Cajun shrimp rice, pour in 2 cups of chicken broth. Season with salt and black pepper according to your taste. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil. 7. Simmer until rice is cooked. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pan, and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is tender and has absorbed the liquid. 8. Garnish and serve. Once the rice is cooked, fluff it up with a fork and garnish with freshly chopped parsley. Our homemade Cajun shrimp rice is now ready to be served. And there you have it, our delicious and affordable homemade Cajun shrimp rice, perfect for Iftar during Ramadan. The combination of Cajun spices with succulent shrimp and perfectly cooked rice is sure to satisfy your taste buds. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, and hit the notification bell, so you never miss out on our mouthwatering recipes. Wishing you all a blessed Ramadan filled with joy, peace, and delicious food. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much Cajun shrimp rice lovers.